Okay, so in this fundamental course, I am going to discuss about the basics of digital marketing. I know there are so many advanced videos to watch, but let me tell you one thing: you cannot get all the topics, advanced topics, without clearing the basics. So first, I will suggest clear the basics, then move on to the advanced topics. And introduction is the most important chapter. Like if you know the basics, you will easily get the advanced topics. So yes, move to the next topic. uh, this is the index of my this chapter. In this chapter I am going to talk about digital marketing introduction and definition, then traditional marketing introduction and why we need traditional marketing, after the types of digital marketing, and then career scope in digital marketing. And at last I will discuss about the qualification you need to get into this career and the future of this career opportunity. So yeah, be there till last. So first let's read about the introduction. Let me tell you simple definition, like digital marketing is a activity through we promote our product or services using a digital channel such as mobile laptop or any other platform with the help of internet. Let me repeat it for you. Digital marketing is an activity through we promote our products and services using internet via mobile phones, laptop or computer or any other platform. Also, digital marketing is the act of promoting products and services through digital channels such as social media, SEO, email, and mobile apps. Any form of marketing that involves electronic devices is considered digital marketing. As I discussed below, like digital marketing is all about promoting your product and services through digital channels. This contains social media. In social media, we cover Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and many more platforms. In SEO, we optimize our content. In email, and we do email marketing and many more other things just to promote our brand and services. Next comes the formal definitions of digital marketing. These two definitions are from very reputed platforms. First one is from American Marketing Association. It says that digital marketing refers to any marketing methods conducted through electronic devices which utilize some form of a computer. As I said that in digital marketing we use a mobile, laptop, iPad, and other form of digital channel. This includes online marketing efforts conducted on the internet. In this process, we need a website, search engine, blogs, social media, video, email, and similar channels to reach customers. This is a formal definition of digital marketing. You will know much and more about this topic gradually and slowly with the practice. I know this looks a little bit difficult, but it is not difficult. It is very easy to understand. Let me tell you one thing: practice makes the man perfect. So, you will learn everything slowly and gradually about the digital marketing, and you can't do anything overnight. And one more thing, you can't be perfect by watching the videos and reading some tutorials or reading informative vlogs. For developing this skill, you need to practice, and slowly and gradually, I will discuss in upcoming blogs how you can do digital marketing, a blueprint of digital marketing. So be there to know everything about this fundamental course. Let's move on to the second definition, which is taken from the Wikipedia. Wikipedia says that digital marketing is a component of marketing that uses the internet and online based digital technologies such as computer, mobile phone, and other digital media and platforms to promote our product and services. So, by this definitions, introduction, you are now aware of what digital marketing is and what we do in the digital marketing. Let's move to the next. So, this is a little bit about the history of digital marketing. And digital marketing was popularized in early 2000, but digital marketing has been around much longer. Prior to digital marketing, we were used to do traditional marketing. Let's discuss what is the traditional marketing. In traditional marketing, We were used to do our marketing without using the net, as the word says. Like there are so many ways to capture the audience attention. Marketing is the one of the most fundamental things in the business, as it helps to obtain people's attention. There are two methods of marketing. One is traditional marketing, which is also known as classical type of marketing, and another one is digital marketing, a modern type of marketing. As we know, traditional marketing has been evolving over ages, while digital just got in a few years ago. Traditional and unique digital marketing are different from another, although they both have few similarities and they both are unique their own. In traditional marketing, we do not use any form of internet. These are the methods that have been around for decades and typically used less often now, because nowadays digital marketing is in the craze. If there are some forms of traditional marketing that are mentioned here. First one is a flyer, second is a billboards, third is a radio commercial, fourth is television commercial, fifth is magazines and newspaper ads, and last one is telephone and SMS marketing. There are many more, but I will discuss these few only. Let me tell you everything about this one by one. First are the flyers. Many companies and businesses are still printing flyers to promote their services. Flyers are also called handouts. Second are billboards. Billboards contain picture of the advertisement. They are usually found on the highways. Mostly billboards are placed by the top companies and businesses to promote their services. Next are the television commercials. One method of traditional marketing is broadcasting advertising using TV commercials. There are million of ads that benefit due to this form of marketing. Then are magazine and newspaper ads. Newspaper and magazine acted as one of the finest source of obtaining information regarding anything. There are tons and tons of ads posted every day in the newspapers and magazines. Last one is the telephone and SMS marketing. In this type of marketing, mostly we include phone calls and text messages of advertising for various businesses and their services. We see and hear many of these ads every day just by listening to the radio, on the way to work, to even looking out the window at the billboards as we go. They have become a part of our daily life. Next comes why we need traditional marketing. Like traditional marketing is a very effective type of marketing. There are main three reasons why we need to target the traditional marketing forms. First one, traditional marketing is very effective type of marketing if one wants to reach the older population. Many reports and surveys prove that people over 50s watch TV and read newspaper twice the time compared to the people in their 20s and 30s. Another huge advantage of traditional advertisement is that they get played repeatedly, but in digital marketing, people can skip them easily. Traditional marketing is a very useful type of marketing if one wants to establish a business or a firm with the assistance of larger local audience. Small businesses grow better using the flyers and billboards all across the street. It is because it can attain the attention of local audience who reside within the city. Now we know traditional and digital marketing are very different from one another, although they both have similarities, but they both are unique in their own way. Next comes our digital marketing importance, like why we need the digital marketing. Firstly, let me tell you, digital marketing is important because it connects a business with its customer when they are online, and it is effective in all the industries. Moreover, it connects businesses with idle customers when they are on Google, on social media, and through email with email marketing. Every business needs digital marketing. It is a necessity you understand the benefits of digital marketing for businesses, which includes, like, firstly, digital marketing is affordable as compared to traditional marketing. Secondly, it is a mobile accessible. We can access each and everything on mobile. Whenever we run any campaign, we can track that ad or any campaign through the mobile. Flexible. By flexibility, I mean to say that there are many forms and uses of high quality digital marketing, including banner ads, email marketing, content marketing, and many more. Thus, by learning how to creatively market yourself digitally, you open up a wide range of possibilities for future publicity strategies. With digital marketing, you also have the flexibility of testing and stopping poorly performing campaigns in the real time to get more profit for your ads and campaigns. But this is not the case of traditional market, as we cannot track our conversions, our feedback, our targeted customers. We cannot track anything in the traditional marketing, but in case of digital marketing, we have each and everything in our backend data. Next come the expansion. By expansion, I mean to say that many customers do almost all of their shopping online. Digital marketing lets you appeal to the best people and thus expand the reach of your company. Multimedia customers tend to engage more with marketing materials that combine multiple types of content, including photo, video clips, and audio. And this is only possible with the help of digital marketing. Apart from this type of content is very important. Interactivity. Digital marketing lets you communicate directly with the customer, like who sees your content, notably through the website comments, messages, reviews, and social media posts. This shows those customers that you care about what they say about you and what they think about your brand, leading them to feel respected and part of your community you are building. It also allow you to gather valuable information on customers' reactions to convert them into future sales. Next is authority. By authority, I mean to say that digital marketing makes it easy to comment on issues and controversies that relate to your product on your industry. In this way, you can establish yourself as an authority on such topics, leading readers to trust you, come back for more information, and eventually make a purchase. The best example of authority is all about the celebrities' social media handles. Like we see so many fake news is about the celebrities, but they have the authority that they can guide about that point or comment anything on their social media handle to understand that better for the audience. By this example, I can say you will understand the meaning of authority. Next comes the types of digital marketing. Well, there are so many types of digital marketing. Some people say that there are four types of digital marketing. Some says that there are 10. Some comment that there are 12 types of digital marketing. But there are mainly eight types of digital marketing that are listed here. First one is the SEO. Second one is the SEM. The full form is search engine marketing. SMO, search social media optimization. SMM, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, influencer marketing, affiliate marketing. As I said that there are many types of digital marketing and you need to learn about everything, but master two or three skills to grow more in your career and earn maximum profit. Like one cannot master everything but can be perfect in one or two fields. So yeah, choose the topic as per your interest and I will make each and every topic clear in upcoming videos. So yeah, be there till the video. Next come the career scope in digital marketing. As you know now that traditional marketing was dead and digital marketing has at peak. So we know that digital marketing career has a good scope in future. Like there are the surveys, there are the reports that claim that it will be a huge industry. Like by 2025, the future scope of digital marketing in the Indian internet business will be worth $160 billion. Like it is very big amount. According to another survey, a closer growth of digital marketing will hit up to 539 billion at the end of 2024. So from these two parameters you can understand that how largely this career will grow, how hot this topic and how hot this career is. So you can see your future in this course and in this career, as it is such an interesting field. If you are a person who have dynamic behavioral, that you enjoy creating things, creating banners, creating images and many more forms of media to present others, this field is for you. But if you are someone who doesn't like creativity, who doesn't create things, Like, yes, companies who have their professional web designers, they have professional graphic designers, but to know your interest you need to understand that you have to be a bit creative to be in this field. Let me sum up this video. In this video I have discussed that marketers can gain good success in this field. Like, no one can afford to miss out the opportunities, and every marketer will need to master online marketing skills. Also, employing these companies digital marketing tactics can help diversify your lead generation beyond social media, content marketing, and the like. That was all about this video. Next is the interesting part of this video, like the what qualification you require to pursue your career in this field. I would say, as a digital marketing is a broad field, the qualification can vary from different positions. Usually a bachelor's degree in marketing analytics or later fields can be a good means to enter in the digital marketing industry. But let me tell you one more thing. Even if you are not from the marketing background, you can pursue a career in the field of digital marketing with the help of some certifications, online courses, or on job skill training. You do not need a bachelor's and master degree for sure. It can be added on with some skill certification, some skill trainings also. At last, let me tell you some benefits of digital marketing that your business should include.